Gua Sha stones are a tool used by traditional Chinese medical practitioners, but are becoming more and more popular and mainstream as the East and West merge ideas of what medicine should look like. They are one of my personal favorite tools, since wrinkles generally form due to tension and imbalance in the muscles. Having a tool that can gently release the stagnation is not only relaxing, but effective. Gua means scrape and Sha means sand. The tool is flat, smooth, and has 3 ridges on one end and a soft point on the other, and kind of resembles a dolphin fin. Classically, Gua Sha stones were used for scraping, which I learned about in my training to become a traditional Chinese medical doctor. This sounds painful, but actually it was a technique that lifted stagnation up to the surface. For instance, if you had shoulder pain or a crick neck, you would use a Gua Sha stone or even a spoon to scrape the pain from the neck downwards. The idea is that not only would it lift the tension up to the surface, but also down to the hand and release out the energy highway. Facial Gua Sha is more relaxing and gentle. Some of the benefits are that it relieves tension in the muscles. It promotes circulation as well as encourages lymphatic drainage to resolve puffiness. I sometimes suffer from tension into my forehead or jaw and spend extra time in the evening on these areas, or sometimes use it in the office on a break to help with ocular computer stress syndrome by massaging around the eye areas. Starting at the neck, run the jade upward using the side of the stone. Using the 3 ridges, run them between the jawbone from the center outward to towards the ear 3 to 5 times. I like to continue the massage toward the back of the neck, into the attachments of muscles at the base of the skull. Using the side of the stone, massage upward 3 to 5 times on the smile lines. You can circle around the lips 3 to 5 times. Using the 3 ridges, massage on the cheekbone from the outside of the nose, along the cheeks towards the temple, above the ear area 3 to 5 times. Using the soft side, circle around the eye very gently 3 to 5 times. Then come in between the eyebrows with the soft point massaging up and down side to side. Flip the stone over to the 3 ridges and massage from the eyebrow outer eye area toward the scalp around the temple. Using the side of the stone, massage the forehead up and down, and then side to side. Continue massaging into the scalp up to the top of the head. Still using the same side of the stone, massage upwards 3 to 5 times from the jawbone to the cheekbone on the cheeks. Thank you so much for listening to this tutorial on Gua Sha, and if you have any questions or comments about natural beauty, please put them in below. I look forward to answering them. Thank you.